Hey guys, welcome back. So I am going to be stuffing my variable expenses. So basically it's my wallet that I carry with me every week. So we are going to do $80 for the week. Today's Thursday. Every Thursday I go through my wallet, see what I had left over, and basically write everything down. I try to keep my budget at $80 a week. So usually in the beginning of the month, we do our grocery shopping, and that's like a big haul. So we usually do that in the beginning of the month. And then throughout the weeks, I just try to keep it minimal, like if I need to get milk or eggs or things like that. So let's start stuffing my wallet. So we have $80 here. So we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Okay, so we have $80 here that we are going to put in our wallet. So this actually helps me keep track of my spending every week. So I usually go through my wallet first. I believe there's nothing in here but my miscellaneous. So miscellaneous is usually like if I go over any of these, I keep a cushion in here just in case I need to spend a little bit more. So for miscellaneous, I usually stuff $15. We were left with 11. So I'm going to stuff $4 in here. And if I'm like under anything in my wallet, like let's say I had anything for groceries left over or things like that, I usually put that in my savings challenges. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's going to go in miscellaneous. And this wallet is up on my website at Jeanette'sJourney7.com. I make the folders for it. And it's basically like a mini binder. It's an A7 binder. So let's start from the beginning. Okay, so groceries is going to get $10. So let's just put 10 in groceries. And that usually goes fast because everything is just so expensive right now. So our grocery haul, like things are just too much right now. Okay, so groceries got 10. Toiletry is getting 10. So for toiletries, we really do not buy a lot of toiletries because I used to coupon in the past. All right, out to eat is going to get 20. So usually we do not go out to eat. The out to eat is usually on Fridays after school. I do get the McDonald's and that's every Friday. And it's usually like around $15. So that's out to eat. The kids are going to get $15 just in case we go anywhere and they want something. I have $15 in there for them. Self-care is going to get $11. So 5, 10, 11. And then I have, what's next? The last one is spending. So spending is going to get $10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, this is variable expenses. This is the binder I have up on my website. So go check that out. I make the folders all by myself. And yeah, guys, this is what I'm spending for the week. So thank you guys for watching. Next Thursday, watch me stuff my wallet again, unstuff and stuff my wallet again. And yeah, just stay tuned for more videos. Bye.